Hello everyone, I'm Nicole Evangelista Dacumos. I'm first year BSHM Block 23. At dito po tayo ngayon para explain ko po sa inyo kung anong ibig sabihin ng Internet of Things or IoT. This is my reaction video. The LAT technology is access for everyone user in internet. At this generation, we are reeling in high-tech that one tap click on it. It show what we are thinking, daydreaming, and of course what we want to know about. Unang-una sa lahat, ang IoT technology madaming nagagawa at naitutulong in terms in home or sa bahay. Nakakonect na ito sa mga appliances na mas nagiging easy access para sa mga gagawing sa loob ng bahay. And of course, the IoT ay nakakatulong para ma-monitor ang mga nangyayari sa loob ng bahay. But it have a disadvantage kung saan nakarely na ang mga tao sa technology. Mas pinipili na lang magtrabaho ang internet kaysa sa kanila dahil napapadali ng IoT ang mga trabaho, which it makes for everyone become lazy for everything to do it house. For me, using IoT technology in my daily life ay nagiging maganda at mabuti, kung saan mabilis akong maka-access sa mga bagay na gusto kong malaman na hindi na kailangan pang pag-isipan na malalim. But using this in everyday as means of everything ay hindi na maganda dahil hindi ito nakakabuti sa kalusugan at nakakasama ito dahil nagiging lazy na ang mga tao. The using IoT technology in this world is very nice in terms of daily doing like the traveling, researching for something and so on. IoT technology is around in the world that many people use this as means of production of everything. That's why many people are engaged to use this internet. And Wi-Fi access is good for communication and makes reliable for everyone. The IoT technology is good in society. It makes the people enhance the use for internet and make them assess for what. Thus, researching for also using this is make use knowledge for everything in this world.